Hey guys, what's up? My name's Danny, aka Thriftfish, and I'm an online fashion reseller. I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari, and today is a vlog. So I'm just going to bring you along on my day. I have a pretty busy day. I started my morning off with breakfast and a little bit of yoga, which is something I've been doing during quarantine, which has been really nice. I hope to continue that once the world goes slightly back to normal, but that's been really nice for stress. Right now, what I'm working on this morning is my business plan. I have looked at business plans before. I have jotted some things down but never really formally created one. But this month I am in Nicole State's mentorship program, so one of our assignments is to create at least a basic business plan. So I'm going to get to work on that. I'm using a template from the SCORE website, which is a lot of free business resources for small business owners. So if you haven't checked that out, there's a lot of really great templates and workshops, and you can get a mentor there. But right now I'm just using their business plan template. So I'm going to get to work on that. Later I have a donation pickup from Nextdoor. Is it Nextdoor? Yeah. And I'm gonna do a grocery pickup, and then we're gonna go through some of the inventory that I have, do a quick little haul of some things I just got in, and then we're just gonna be working on listing and the normal stuff. So hopefully you'll come along for the ride. It's Friday, so happy Friday. It's the weekend. Weekends still feel good even though we're in this weird, we're always home time. So hope you've had a good week. My week was sales are still just slowly creeping along. I'm trying to focus on driving sales and just getting more inventory into my Poshmark closet, my eBay store, etc. So that's what I'm up to. We're gonna keep it going, and I'll see you again soon.
So here's what I'm talking about. This was the website that the template is from, and here's instructions, and then you start with this template. So just some basic things about your business, and it goes on as well to talk about the products and services as well as marketing.
Excuse the gardening noises. I don't really know what those are, but I'm heading out a little earlier than expected to go get my donation. So this place is just about 8 minutes away, so I'm gonna go pick up about 4 bags of clothing. So let's go. I have a back seat full of donations, so that's great. We'll have to go through it in a couple days. It's gonna stay in my car for at least 2 days, but we got a back seat full of donations, so that's good. We're gonna do a quick haul of the things I got in last night from ThredUP. I had ordered these from their Mother's Day sale over the weekend. Some of these items are from their online outlet, some of them are not. Some of them were just a good deal over the weekend. So they had a bunch of things that were 50% off, 40% off, so I did shop that sale. So I'll just show you what I got because they're here and I'm excited about it. First up is this splendid with margarita size extra small, really cute like terry cloth daisy print sweatshirt or sweater with like the banded collar here. I don't know if you call that a banded collar. I think I just made that up. It's like a varsity type look to it. If that were a little bigger, I would probably keep it. This is a like little ribbon tie back moth sweater from Anthropologie. Moth is an Anthropologie brand that definitely still sells better for me. This is a size medium. I can usually get a quick $20 from a moth sweater. Speaking of moth, I got a really lovely extra small moth dress. It's a sweater dress. It's got pockets. It's like this cool midi asymmetrical thing in the back. So really digging this. It's super soft. It's probably not the best for warm weather, but I couldn't help myself. This dress is cooler than I thought it was, or than I could see on the website, because I don't think I saw this cool fringe. This is Maison Scotch, size small, and it's got like a drawstring waist. It's a really nice little dress. Next is Lily's Closet, which is sometimes sold at Anthropologie, size medium. It's got little scalloped bell sleeves, which is so cute, and like a little ruffle along the sides here, or the opening. This is Dolan Left Coast, again sometimes sold at Anthropologie. I think this is size small. These letters are hard to read, but this is like a modal, just an easy modal dress. Next up is this Dolce Vita dress. I like selling Dolce Vita clothes. It's got this cute cutout in the back. Yeah, I thought this dress was pretty. Again, it's a size extra small. Love to get some larger sizes up in my closet. This is so super cute. This was not an outlet item, but just an item that was discounted enough for me to pick it up. This one's a size large. It's super down. I've mentioned before I'm a sucker for their styles. They're so cute. It's just this little cute, like, satiny star print skirt. I don't usually pick up a lot of ASOS. This is an ASOS dress. It's US size 2, so still pretty extra small. But look how pretty this dress is. It's got like this overlay with the ribbing at the top. In the back, there's a cutout, and it has cashmere in it. Again, maybe not the best thing for summer, but I could not help myself. Is that a bad thing? It's fine. All seasons sell. Don't worry about it. Okay. I don't know a lot about this brand, but I did some brief research, and these are new with some sort of tag. I probably wouldn't say this came from the store. I think this is an LF brand. These shorts retailed for $132, but this is the Sloane Society size 8. And they're these weird, like, meshy overlay shorts. They're cool though, a little edgy. I am loving this dress. This was an outlet choice, and I can't believe that I found this. This is a Yumi dress, which is, I think, a lower end Anthropologie line of Yumi Kim. It's a size US 8-10, so like a nice medium, but it's really pretty. It's got this texture, just a fit and flare dress, but I really like it. It's a lot prettier than I thought it was going to be. That's why I'm so excited. Just polyester, but I'm happy with that. And the last item is, I got this brand for the first time in my bread and butter Luxe box from Luxe Huntress, this About Us brand. I just found this really cute knot front sweater, so I picked this up as well. That is it. I still have like 3 items coming from another ThredUP location that's delayed. They actually sent me an email apologizing for the delay. So I'm still waiting on those, but that was most of my order from over the weekend. The rest of this stuff here is all donations I got earlier in the week from somebody local. Just some pairs of men's jeans, a denim jacket that I have to remove a patch from. There's some Uniqlo sweatpants, so a couple good items here. So I'm going to be working on listing some of this stuff today. So it's about 2 p.m. now. I did the pickup around noon. I came home, did the little haul for you guys. Back in my car, I changed. I'm at Starbucks waiting for my order. Only one person's allowed in the lobby. My order's not ready yet, so I'm just hanging out in my car. It's like 80 degrees today, so it's really warm and really nice. And then I'm about to go get our grocery curbside pickup. So doing that, and then I'm going back home to do a little bit more work. I'm gonna do one more thing today before I sign off and get to listing the things that I just processed and photographed. But I'm gonna quick get the mail because I got a shoe mystery box from Holly's Posh blog, and I want to open that with you and do an unboxing. So I'm gonna get the mail. All right, we're back in the haul spot. So I got a mystery box of 4 pairs of shoes from Holly's Posh blog, and I'm going to open it with you and do a quick unboxing. And then I'm going to end this video, and I'm going to edit it and hopefully upload it today. Hopefully. If not, it'll be Saturday. Today's Friday. Ooh, I'm trying to just take the tape off, but I'm not doing a very good job, so I think I need to get scissors. Should do it. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, yes. Okay, so we have a pair of Tom's wedges. I actually really like selling Tom's shoes that are, you know, a little bit more substantial than just the flats. So we have some cork Tom's wedges here. These are in pretty good condition. Very nice condition, actually. I'm just looking at the box and I love it already. Oh, I love it. Okay, here is another brand I love, Pour La Victoire. And this is just a nice pair of suede pumps. This heel isn't super in right now, but these are classic. The only thing I see is just a little discoloration in the suede, but that would not stop me from selling these on a normal day anyway. So, love. Lots of neutral tones, which are my favorite, so. Okay, these are gorgeous. These are the most gorgeous Danskos I've ever seen in my life. Look at these. These are like a beautiful sandal from Dansko, so they're comfortable and actually stylish, which I almost never see. These are awesome. I'm very excited to list these. And I was waiting because I absolutely love these when I saw them in the box and didn't even realize, like, look how cute these booties are. I was like, ooh, I can't wait to see what brand they are. And they're actually just Clark's. They're Clark's booties, but they're so pretty. And I think these will go for a nice amount. So I'm thrilled with all 4 pairs of these shoes. I actually have a clothing box coming from her as well. But I haven't gotten that yet, so I couldn't unbox it. Maybe I'll unbox it in a different video, but now that I've gotten this box, I'm excited to get that box. So, okay, that's it for me today. Thank you guys for joining in and coming along with me today. I'm going to list and then enjoy a nice Friday evening after editing and uploading this video onto the weekend. Hope you guys have a fantastic weekend if you're watching this when it comes out. If not, hope you're staying safe, hope you're doing well. Let me know how your week has been in the comments. If you like this video, go ahead and give it the thumbs up. If you like this content and want to see more from me, I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you again real soon.